Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it right away. Got lots of analysis to do right now. We can see that right now we printed our new daily candle on the DBSI. And yes, this one was a -5 and an 18 before, but now it's still looking pretty bullish with a -5 and a 12 after we had that big wick down today. I'm pretty sure everyone's noticed by now. We had this massive Bitcoin wick all the way down to $60,000, reaching a price target exactly, right on the dot. I think it was maybe like a couple dollars off, like $18 off. Depends on which exchange you were. Like, let's say for Bybit, for example, you actually went below 60,000, I believe. Oh, maybe not Bybit, maybe a different exchange I'm thinking about. Let's see, BitGet, we went all the way down to 60,200, and right here, Bitstamp, we reached $60,018, and let's take a look here, 60,077. So basically 60,000 if you round up the numbers. But yeah, that was a very, very, very big wick in the span of only 5 minutes, I believe. You can even go to the smaller time frames, 3 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Yeah, it was a 1 minute candle all the way down. So this was obviously manipulation, and it obviously, filled some orders for someone at 60,000, and it came right back up. So, and right now we can see that we're still in this channel right now, and a bit of a bull flag, I would say. It's possible that we even come back down to 62,400, at which point we could maybe get a bounce from there and keep going back up towards the upside and retest 64,000, and we got our all-time high at 67,000. So right now, looking pretty good, pretty bullish on Bitcoin. I'm still in my trade. Wasn't even looking at my phone when all of that stuff went down today, so I wasn't even too worried. So the best thing to do is just enter your trade, make your bets, and if whatever happens, happens, right? And right now we can see it on the 4-hour, looking quite nice. Right now we got a nice little green dot right here, so the money flow is still in the green, trying to stay in the green. Looks like we're in a bit of the red, and the 6-hour, looking significantly better than this big wick that we had before. So very, 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 very bullish in my opinion. Right now we can see that Ethereum also on a tear at the moment, with a very, very promising -4 right there. We did make a new all-time high today at $46,077, and right now we're back at 4,600. I keep saying thousand every time I do that for Ethereum. I don't know when I'm gonna stop. It's a very bad habit, but I definitely should stop, because even Carl the Moon today, he made a tweet that Ethereum is going to $63,000, which is pretty insane. But yeah, just getting back into it, we can see that the markets were a bit scared today with the Fed announcing possible tapering, but right now looks like that's not going to happen, and right now the markets are rallying strongly. New all-time high, 4660, 65, sorry, 4665. What is wrong with me today? 4665 on SP 500, 36,165 on the Dow Jones. So it looks like all those short calls are not going to be playing out for everyone else. And let's take a look at the spider lines right here on Bitcoin. I expect see some resistance at 64,000 or 64,800, whichever one is gonna be more reliant. The spider lines can be adjusted. They're not perfect. Especially mine. So maybe it is 64,800, and then we'll probably get some resistance around that area. EMA ribbons holding strong on the daily. We can see that big wick down that we had today, the 60,000, just filled some orders. In my opinion, I think we're gonna have a breakout sooner or later and possibly reach my target right here of, let's take a look, I believe it is 74,000. Let's take the charts target. It's starting to lag a bit. I'm gonna build myself a new computer. I'll probably make a video and show you guys that too. But basically, 77 to 74,000 are my price targets. I believe we're about to have a very, very big rally. Bitcoin's been consolidating for a little bit now, and it's probably getting ready for its next leg up. And yeah, all coins looking very nice. XRP analysis yesterday was on point, I gotta say. We can see that we had our big breakout right here, and then we came back down, held it as support perfectly, and now we're moving back towards the upside. So Daniel's probably really happy right now in the chat, right, in the Discord. Daniel's probably celebrating right now. So this was a great entry right here. If you guys trade XRP, this was a breakout, confirm a support, and then boom, you would have made a fantastic trade right there. 6% with leverage is massive gains already. And we can take a look at VeChain as well, our investment challenge, right? Now holding, once again, holding this trend line to support. Very nice. And I expect it to come back up and retest resistance again. I definitely like to see that. I want to see it go in a little bit deeper, possibly going up to 15 cents, 15.1 or 15.1, and maybe coming back down to retest this as support. So that's definitely what I want to see on a daily time frame. You know, we can take a look at it right here. And we'll go look at it on the DBSI as well. But yeah, right now we're sitting at a very comfortable 15% gain, and you know, significant upside could be coming. Stay tuned, guys. And once again, let's go take a look at VeChain. Actually, I don't do this often, but we'll take a look at VeChain on the DBSI. But yeah, very nice. Money flow still there in the green on the daily time frame. Weekly, looking very promising. Looks like we're about to have a very large momentum wave, so maybe some momentum could be coming from VeChain. But overall, Bitcoin quite bullish in the short term and in the long term. Let's take a look at one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Oh yes, talk about Shiba a bit. Yeah, this chart is not looking too good right now. I think we might even come back down to these levels for Shiba. Like someone asked me to do some analysis on it, so I think we might even see a 50% correction on it. So there's not much price traded here. Looks like someone unloaded their bags here today, and whoever's buying the dip, be very careful. You never know what's gonna happen with these coins. You know, there's not much history, as you can see, and it's been trading for a very short amount of time. So anything can happen with these coins. I'm not saying it's going to be like Squid Coin, right? Obviously, everybody's heard of that now, about now, unless you live under a rock. But basically, that everyone holding that coin got scammed and they lost everything. It dumped in like 5 minutes. It dumped all the way down and lost 99% of its value. But yeah, I'm not very bullish on SHIB, to be honest, and I don't hold any, so there's no real reason for me to be bullish on it. And ADA looks like is about to have a huge breakout. We could possibly be seeing a retest of the all-time high, and potentially a breakout to new levels. Maybe $4 could be achieved very soon. We can see that. There we go. ADA could be just coiling up right now, getting ready for a big move. You could obviously draw this in many different ways, but basically it looks like it's a descending wedge or descending triangle, and sorry, not descending triangle, but descending wedge, and we could have a pretty big breakout from there. Anyways, guys, just like to give you guys market updates like this. If you like these videos, leave a comment and a like in the description, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Also, if you haven't signed up already, you can definitely use my link. Bitget helps support the channel, and right now on the hash ribbons, we can see that we are at a 42% gain. You guys have a wonderful day. Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.